Hey guys, hey girls, hey over, it's Kimberly, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're doing the Fab Fit Fun box for winter. Let's look inside this. Got stickers, the magazine, all of the offers and such. Get too much of this. And let's see what our first thing is. It is the Liquid IV Water Enhancer, I believe. It's a hydration multiplier, so that way you can get more hydration out of your water. But I'm possibly going to try that. Next item is the ManiManny Moments Manny in a Box Duo Nail File. So it has all of this treatments for your nails. So many treatments for your nails. So I'm going to put these back in the box. The next item. Next item is the Baroggio Casual Charisma. It is the rice amino avocado leave-in cream for curl defining. Next we have this unhide blanket in a dusty lavender color. Seems nice and soft. Open it up. Yep, very soft. Very lovely. Next we have this Mason Tops Cocktail Shaker kit. It is this teal color. Comes with pretty much everything you need for it. Spoon, fork thingy. The jar, it's glass. Has all the tops and such. So that's nice. Next we have this Winky Luxe Lip Oil. It's high shine. This will be interesting to use. We have the Grown Alchemist Body Cream. For biological beauty, and it says hydrating. And our last item is the Glamnetic eyelashes in Virgo. They're the magnetic lashes. I've tried a few versions of these, but not the Glamnetic brand, so I'm going to really just try this. So I'm going to be doing a review of these later on. Alright, that was everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.